Hello, this is Pranay Sai. If you'd organize your ideas early, it's time for an impressive introduction. The introduction steers listeners towards your speech. It portrays your thoughts. In the previous lecture, we have understood how to add supporting details to your main idea through concept maps. The synopsis or outline of the concept map is all you need to explain in the introduction. Here is our concept map. And the weak introduction is as follows. As far as I am concerned, social media has great impact on the society. It has both positives and negatives. This sounds weak, isn't it? Have a look at a strong introduction. Social media has boundless impacts on human behavior and society. Firstly, it provides a platform to convey one's thoughts and views without hesitation. Additionally, it serves as a marketing and branding tool for multiple industries. But on the other side of the coin, it alters our health and also intensifies chances of cyberbullying. In this way, you can express your main idea along with supporting reasons. In the course of your speech, you can explain in detail about the supporting reasons. Make sure you practice for other topics like favorite color, corruption, teamwork, etc.